Hey, hello freelancers. Need to update your Upwork password? Here is a quick guide to help you change your password securely. So to do that, just open the Upwork app from your device or go to the www.upwork.com website and then make sure you are logged in of your account. Then tap on this profile icon here and now go to the settings. Now you can see there is option password and security. Just tap on it. Now you can see there is a link to change password. Now here you have to write your current password, then type a new password and again type your new password. After that you have to just confirm that by tapping here confirm on logout and it will log out you. So after that you just need to log in again with your new password and that's it. Remember to use a strong and unique password to keep your account more secure. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. If you think this video is helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe this channel.